AJAX, Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. AJAX is a set of web development techniques that allows you to send and receive data from a web server asynchronously without the need to reload the entire web page. It enables the creation of more interactive and dynamic web applications by fetching data in the background and updating specific parts of the page without requiring a full page refresh. How AJAX works. Traditionally, web pages would require a complete reload every time the user interacted with the page or requested new data. AJAX, on the other hand, allows you to send requests to the server and handle responses in the background while the user continues to interact with the page. This asynchronous behavior leads to a smoother and more responsive user experience. Using AJAX in JavaScript. AJAX in JavaScript can be achieved using the XMLHttpRequest object or the newer Fetch API. The XMLHttpRequest object has been around for a long time and is still widely used, while the Fetch API provides a more modern and easier-to-use approach. Using XMLHttpRequest. Using Fetch API.